energy. The one thing that powers our cars, factories, buildings, and all the stuff we can't live without, like air conditioners, laptops, phones, refrigerators, and television sets. Energy powers everything and makes our lives really comfortable. But does it make our planet happy too? Let's take a look. Where do we get energy from? We get most of our energy from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. These fossil fuels are very useful to humans. For instance, our cars run on petrol, which comes from oil, and our homes get electricity from coal and natural gas. But burning fossil fuels releases a lot of carbon dioxide, forming a thick layer in the atmosphere. Okay, so what? Let's find out. Our atmosphere plays a crucial role in supporting life on Earth. It gives us oxygen to breathe and regulates the Earth's temperature. Along with light, the sun also delivers heat to the Earth. Much of this heat is reflected back to outer space. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases trap some of this heat in the atmosphere. Without this heat, our Earth would be frozen, like a ball of ice. But as more and more fossil fuels are burnt, a lot of carbon dioxide is released in the atmosphere, forming a thick layer. In the last 100 years, the level of this CO2 has drastically increased because of human activities. Scientists have shown that increased amounts of CO2 and other gases trap a lot of heat in the atmosphere. As a result, the temperature of our Earth has continued to rise steadily. This is called the greenhouse effect. As the level of CO2 increases, so does the temperature of the Earth. Imagine a pleasant night when you are sleeping soundly with a blanket. What would happen if someone put many more blankets on you? You would wake up sweating profusely, gasping for air. That is what has happened to our Earth. With more carbon dioxide, we have forced more and more blankets on it. As a result, for the past 100 years, our Earth has been running a constant fever with no signs of recovery. Our endless energy consumption, coupled with deforestation, have made things even worse. In the Earth's history of 460 crore years, climate change has occurred many times. But these changes happen gradually over lakhs of years, and therefore plants, animals, and humans were able to adapt to it. But what has happened now? Just in the last 100 years, the Earth's temperature has risen more rapidly than ever before. And as a result, life as we know it is finding it rather difficult to cope.